Hey, what's the deal? I can't get it out.
Hi.
Why did you park my car here?
But you told me to park it in a safe place.
Park it in a safe place.
Okay, I have the best parking lot in town.
Could you please park my truck at the rock section?
I'll do it right away, sir. Come on, Wendy, I'll show you around.
Wow, you're really good at parking. How many parking lots do you have?
A lot. This is the royal parking lot. This is the dino parking lot. Look, this is a dino school.
Huh? What's that bell?
Another customer. Rush hour.
I'll help park the cars.
Thanks, Wendy.
Reporting for duty.
Here's your tasks.
The foam parking lot. Uh-oh.
Oh, where's the car? Where's the car? There's one.
Wendy, can you get the car from the lava room?
The lava room?
Use that remote to turn off the lava, but make sure don't drop it.
Okay. Oh, what's happening?
We're almost done. I'll help with the final cars.
The white or the black? I don't think this one. Not again.
Thanks for your help.
No problem.
It was fun.
Refuel. Oh, he's fast.
Got it.
Whoa.
Officer Danny to the rescue. Don't worry, Uncle Roy, I got this. Got you. Come on, let's go.
Thank you, Officer Danny.
You're welcome. What's wrong, Uncle Roy?
Trying to build a rocket ship with my robot.
Cool.
This is hard.
Ta-da! Not to fear, Builder Eric is here. Please.
Ooh.
Ah.
Ah.
Oh yeah!
Wow. Thank you, Builder Eric.
The rocket ship.
I sure do love camping.
I just love bird watching.
That was good. Time to go.
Uncle Roy forgot to put out his campfire. Wow. Wait, Uncle Roy. You didn't put out your campfire.
Oh. It's not working, Charlotte.
I'll be right back.
Oh,
firefighter Charlotte.
You're welcome. Remember to always practice fire safety.
Oh, my beautiful garden! My garden's ruined!
What's wrong, Uncle Roy?
The rabbit destroyed my garden!
Don't worry, we'll fix your garden. This will keep the rabbit away. There, that should do it. Sorry, but we don't know how to garden.
Oh no!
I can help. I'll be right back. Here, Eric, since you're a builder, you make the fence.
On it.
Charlotte, since you're a firefighter, you water the seeds.
Okay.
Jenny, since you're a police officer, you get the rabbit.
Hey, you stop.
You're coming with me, Rabbit.
Thanks again, Officer Jenny.
All in a day's work.
All done.
Now to make these plants grow.
Wow! My garden's back! Great job, kids!
See what happens when we work together? The Grinch took the mail for Santa. Police! The Grinch took the mail for Santa.
What? I sent my letter to Santa. Eric, let's go.
I have all the letters.
Hey, you! Return those letters and go timeout. Timeout. Ellie, here's the mail.
Thank you, Officer Alex.
Bye. Okay, Grinch, you can go.
Woohoo!
See you later, Santa.
Thank you, Ellie.
Toys!
It's the Grinch. Santa, call the police.
Police, police! I'm Santa. The Grinch took our gifts.
Go, Eric. Hey, Grinch, return the gift. In timeout. Here's your gift, Santa. Thank you, Alex.
You've been a nice kid this year, Officer Alex.
Bye. Okay, Grinch, you can leave.
Woohoo!
We're ready, Santa.
Thank you. Ho, 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 ho. This must be Wendy's house. She was a nice girl. She gets a gift. This is Jenny's house. She's also nice. This is the Grinch house. He wasn't too nice this year, but I'm gonna give him a gift.
Santa in my house? He's just gonna give me a lump of coal.
Oh! Police, police! The Grinch got all the presents!
Let's go, Eric. The presents.
Huh?
Hey, you. Those are Santa's presents.
Looks like the officers have company. Go inside.
Okay.
Hey, you!
Huh? Oh, let it snow.
Go, Santa! Go, Santa! Yeah!
Why are you acting like that, Grinch?
Because you're gonna give me a lump of coal like last year.
No! You will receive a present this year.
Huh?
Yeah, you helped me deliver presents.
Cool.
Let's go! Very good! Well done, Grinch! This is for you, police officers!
Thank you! Wow!
I like those toys.
Be nice, Grinch. Remember what you got last year? This is for you!
Thank you. Sorry, Santa. I'll be a good boy this year.
Remember, kids,